Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am putting together a happy mail for a crafty friend in Australia. I can link the video in the end here of how I created this pocket letter, and here I have filled it in the back, so I'm just going to add some paper clips here to this pocket. I've got some flowers, tea, some stamps, friends of the family you choose, hello darling, I'm so happy we're friends, and some gems, some more flowers. So this is the pocket letter. Also with this, I am sending her, all you need is some vitamin C. And here I have made her some bag toppers. You can see the details. Here I've created a rosette, and that was sort of my starting point. I stitched all along the edge, put the doily there as the very back. I've layered all kinds of pieces of ephemera, and I've put this Maggie Holmes Willow Lane flower on there. I really love that. I've put some Sunny Days gems on there. There's another little one hiding in underneath there. There's all sorts of layers that you can see. And here is the second one. So this is the other side of the rosette. This was the one side with the blue, and this one with the white and blue. Some more, a little fringe from, again, Maggie Holmes. Everything else is the Echo Park Under the Sea collection. The stickers, there's a little die cut frame under there. Tiny little peek of a banner that I had stitched all along across the top there. Again, some little gemmies sneaking out underneath there. Lots of layering. You can see that's gonna go there. Also created for her this little pack containing a face mask, and I've just decorated up the package and she can reuse that. The gift just slips out. I've also created something new that I haven't done before. Now that I've had some practice at it, I can do a tutorial on this, but it's basically something that you've probably all seen before. It is an envelope flip book. So in each pocket there is a very like oceany beach themed sticker. These are all from Jolie's. So we've got some waves, these cute little crabs. This is sort of the theme. Sand castles. This one says Paradise Fun. And they're all from Jolie's boutique. These are really fun pieces as well. So those are all tucked inside of each of the pockets. And I'll put them back there. All you need is some vitamin C. Enjoy every day. I'm going to seal that off with some washi. And then last but not least, sort of the inspiration for this happy mail was to send her one of my all-time favorite things to have in my purse is a little foldaway tote. Now this whole tote stuffs into this crab. So, and then there's a little pull tab here that you sort of zip it into place, and then you've got this cute little crab in your purse, and then you can pull it out whenever you need a bag if you're going shopping or to the market. Okay, a few new additions. I really have to get this sent off to Australia because I keep creating more things to put in it. So as I showed you, I made this bag topper embellishment for her, which I was inspired by Shara Crane to create these. I saw her make some fun ones, and it gave me the idea to make those for the happy mail. So these are the rosettes that I used as the inspiration for the bag toppers. So now she has some of her own that she can create with. So this is a Thickers bag that I took, and I just took the top out and put the paper in, same with the bottom, and then I put the other things inside and I decorated it with a little rosette there. I've gone and put the Foldaway Tote little crab right in his pouch. It's so cute. This is the entire inspiration for this happy mail. This is the summer bucket list, down by the sea, sun and fun. I'm gifting her a card that she can use. This card's been created from a single piece of paper. I have a haul video where I received this at the amazing price that I got for it. I will link that for you guys to see. And then I tucked it in this little gift bag that she can then reuse. I think I showed you this already. I'm creating this and sending it off today, and I can't remember what I've shown you and what I've shared, but if I haven't shown you this already, this is the little gift bag I've put a face mask in. I'm also going to tuck in some ephemera for her so that she can decorate her little rosettes. Okay, and I also, in that same haul video, I got this from Hobby Lobby. This is something I got in the States, and I wished I had it earlier because it is the perfect addition. It looks like fishnet. Like it's the perfect sort of sea-worthy experience to create a little gift here. So I have made this envelope with my 1, 2, 3 punch board, and I've put in here some candy for her kids to share. So I've put share across there. This was from the Chamel Thickers, and I've topped it with a little stitched seahorse on one of the cards, the little cut apart cards. I've put a little flower on there, and then I've made a shaker pocket. So there's a shaker pocket inside of this mesh, and I was thinking, like, I'm not sure how well this is going to hold up. Like, is stuff going to fall through these little tiny holes here? But it seems to be working out pretty good, and things are moving around. It's always nice to have some bigger items when you are doing a shaker pocket, because this holds up the material and it allows for things to move in behind it there. So, and I've also gifted her back some of her shells. So she gave me a sequin box. I will link the video where I'm unboxing her Happy Mail that she sent to me, which was amazing. And you'll see that she sent me a sequin box, and I'm gifting her back some of her own sequins. These little like holographic shells were the perfect shiny little addition that are great for the theme of this pocket here. So there's some candy inside there, all sealed up. I'm going to write her a letter and include that along with the Happy Mail. So I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.